How to use Netflix with a VPN. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. On Netflix, there is location restrictions, which means some of the contents might not be available on your location. So if you want to watch all your favorite contents on Netflix, you might want to try using a VPN. So for that, you've got different VPNs such as Express VPN. This is considered to be the best VPN that you can use. It is ultra fast global access, instant online protection. So you've got different features over here. You can simply try the free trial without any risks over here. Now, the next one is we have NordVPN. NordVPN also offers different features such as detecting malwares and blocking trackers and intrusive ads. So you can also try this VPN out. You can also try some free VPNs, which is available on the Google Chrome extensions if you're using Google Chrome. So here I've got one which is called Free VPN for Chrome. You can get this from the Chrome extensions. Now you simply want to turn this option on, and once you turn on the VPN, you can also switch the country or location. For example, if you want to watch a show that is only available in USA, then you want to switch your location to US. And once you do, you can simply access the content which is exclusively available in US. You can also try using some other browser such as Opera GX, which has a built-in VPN. So you simply want to click on the extension over here. Then you want to click on Get More Extensions and simply search for VPN. Then click on Opera Free VPN. So this is a free unlimited VPN which is built in the Opera GX browser. You simply want to click on the enable option over here. Then these locations are available for free, so you can simply enable that and then access Netflix. And this is how you can use Netflix with a VPN. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.